Plenty of light.
See, I like that with that eyeball.
Yeah.
In there, there's no light.
Have it up yet then, does it? Yeah, just got the bulb up there.
I know, but I wonder why the other one's not. That's pretty, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I like that. All the steps up. Yeah, it looks nice.
Did you see that light? You like it?
Yeah. Yeah, I like it. That does look good here, doesn't it? Thank you. I got a little bit of taste.
Yeah, but you was gonna have those four little prongy things, ain't you?
That'll look good too.
No.
Till I've seen that
Not
one.
as good as that. Justin, don't touch nothing. Can we go up?
Yeah, this looks good here.
Sure does. I hadn't seen that.
Now I can slide
That looks
my
really
butt
dope.
with your nails on
What
it.
is that? Is that the trim like in yonder?
The board.
What'd he do, stain it?
Stain it.
Oh,
See,
okay.
stain that side over too. Will this motivate on that?
Oh, Steve!
Now you got some real steps.
Ooh, there's nails on them.
Fill this.
What a set of steps.
Put it down.
Fill this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. The floor, huh? Keep it over right away.
Hey, look, I've got finally some doors on here.
That's not the lights we picked out, but they're good.
There, Mark?
No, remember we had a little gold trim going around the edge and it was plain white? You know what I mean?
I might have wrote the number down wrong or something.
What?
Maybe I wrote the number down wrong. That's the one I was looking at, or maybe they had it tagged wrong. That looks okay. Get the VIN in, doesn't it?
Huh?
Get the VIN, see it
So like that?
too. Yeah.
Everyone
Does it
with
like
that?
to run up real good? Yeah, it's just got one bulb in it. It'll be alright then.
I think the other one was rounder and had a gold trim around the edge. See, this one now looks better.
Yeah, we'll change that globe, that's all we have to do.
Hey, Steve.
This room's real light. I mean, it's got a lot of light in it.
See when it's darker, because this is a big house, it'll be darker. So listen, see, you turn light down, that switch goes to this light, you turn it on down there, come up here, you won't be afraid. What?
Carpet and stuff will go over all this, and any trim down here.
I'm gonna fix it so you won't get nails on your feet.
Justin, if you step on a nail, you can fall and break your neck.
Fall and break my neck when I'm watching.
Yeah, I like those steps.
Break it. Nails are just a little nails. When am I gonna make new nails?
Yeah,
I'm gonna say it if you want.
plenty of light in the shower. Did you turn that hole in there?
I think Justin did.
Yeah.
Are they big enough to be round enough for the room?
Put another light in it, it'll be fine. If not, you can light something in here.
Well, no, I just mean, I'm not talking about light-wise, I'm talking about look-wise. Is it big enough for the room? Those doors look darker than downstairs.
Yeah, well, the wood sometimes will make stuff look a little bit darker. They look fine.
Did we varnish them or they already did?
And they ain't even varnished.
Are they going to?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you varnish all that, all the trim. What? Turn it off, honey. You don't need it.
Hold on. Just what I'm gonna do. Come over there. This turns it off too?
Yep.
That's neat. It has 2 light switches.
Yep, that's so. You can turn the light off when you come up here without having to go downstairs and turn it off.
Yeah, I'm getting anxious.
Steve,
Yeah.
does that one go down? There's a switch go down or up down there?
Mm-hmm.
Does it? Huh?
Yep.
It does?
Yeah, like, looks real good right there.
Need to get to it.
No, it doesn't.
What are you doing?
Take a picture of the lights.
Ew, buddy, that door just barely missed the steps.
Yep, that's all it's gonna do.
God, you're right.
Picture of our lights.
Missed the steps. I want to look down there, Steve. So what was supposed to do?
See what I mean by that being clear when I told you out this door it wouldn't look as good?
Yeah.
Look, it looks burnt out or something.
Yeah, that's we just got. I got.
Well, then you look up there. No, you didn't get to
What's
know.
the
They had.
other
See, they had
again?
one for the outside lights.
For all the outside. I've never seen a 3 light switch. I've seen
Turn on one and see what.
One is for this one is for outside, and one is probably.
What is what one? Aha, there's the burnt one.
This one over here ain't got no bulb in it.
Turn them all off now.
I'm gonna look for nails some more.
No.
No, come on.
Just a minute.
We'll go.
Just a minute. One more time. I think I saw the bones. Steve, are they done with this? Are they done with this?
We're missing the medicine cabinets too. I think. No, there it is.
Well, you said there was one.
See if there's a
leading
light
right
bulb.
the shower door in there.
Well, that's right
Corner,
there. Yeah, probably burn out or something.
Columbia. Maybe that's why the other one. That's maybe why the.
Dustin, there's you something to eat.
What in the heck is that? Every day they have some there. What is it?
I think they're leaving it for Santa Claus.
Is that for the hot water tank?
Yeah.
That's a dryer.
Yep.
That's more stuff.
Right.
What do I have on there?
Like what?
Steve, does this have that stuff on it you told me not to touch?
I said that the
Does
other
that
day.
have the
Somebody
stuff on it
said,
you
"Make a
told me
difference."
not to touch?
Who said that?
I forget who it was.
Does that have the stuff on it you told me not to touch?
You can have it. Or, I mean, you can touch that one. It's just a piece.
Because you were sticking my washer up to the.
Oh, he's got, see, he's already stained some of that stuff.
Huh?
See how much different
Oh, yeah.
the wood makes it look?
It looks good, don't it?
Yeah.
I think it
see,
does. It's not real dark.
Yeah, yeah, it's gonna look good. I guess he stained it to see what it looked like.
No Legos.
It'll look
It's
good.
that there down there laying, right?
No, that's trim for around the door. Right here's what I'm talking about. This is some of that planking stained with that same stain. See how much different the wood will make that stuff look?
Why?
Huh? Because it's cedar.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, I like it.
It might look better with
It'll lighten the room up a little bit too.
Yeah. It more look like a table.
Yeah.
Justin, get out of that mess.
This is good to eat.
Where's the?
Rice.
Oh, that's good. Over here.
Got the door on that little thing makes it look a lot better.
Yeah, on that
That
little
little
closet.
pantry.
That's good. He switched that socket over there too. Over there. Get out here. On the inside.
On the inside, but the thing you put above it for the little fancy ruffle to hang down.
You can put that inside too.
No, you don't.
You can, I said. We'll see. I'll just let Buddy figure that out.
We're gonna have but those are not the ones he ordered.
Yeah, but he can tell me what to do. He
Oh,
goes
okay.
to that stuff.
Justin, get out of that.
Just a minute.
Oh, Steve, I hope I heard.
And that over here, that dog towards his eye, you know, this part's not to the left. I meant this part. Open it. Come on.
Too late now. I am. I want you in there too. Now, this right here, you're just gonna slid out from under me, so be real careful. Man. They are. Yeah, I know. I've seen that. That guy left all the ends of the garage open too, up on the corner, instead of bending the soffit around.
Oh, yeah.
Gosh. Need to buy me some bulbs. Oh, when I could get a couple, you run off the guy.
I'm just playing, that's pretty.
What goes up first, Dave? You got some,
Ceiling fan.
both of them?
Yeah.
2 fans?
Well, we needed 2 lights, so it's gonna put 2 fans. There's Brenda's Charlie Brown Christmas light.
Yeah, they don't have the
You
rest
like
of it.
that,
You know, all the parts that are over there yet.
This room here's gonna like somebody peed in it. Gotta clean the trash pile up here pretty soon before we can dig a water line.
Justin's gonna have a hard climb up to his window.
Yeah. Outside you mean, when he sneaks out.
Back up.
Yep. Mom and your mom's worrying about if there's a fire.
Don't smell too good there, Jeff.
My goodness.
That's what you're gonna have to put up with.
No, I'm not.
Now, you're gonna, are you gonna trade with it?
No, because part of it won't be so.
You'll never hear it when he gets carpet for her.
What is he doing though?
Running.
Right.
You what?
I like this. I think me and yours.
Yeah, it's from my big house.
She likes some psychedelic.
I don't see nothing wrong with it.
put the washer dryer in here, dude.
That's mine and Brenda's closet. We'll have to get two of them things that stand by themselves to put in here. Ain't got room, can't do it. Can't put a rod in here. Only thing I thought about, we could put one this way.
You know,
We could put one across this way.
well, I don't know, I'll be up at one here, one here.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
figuring.
because they can watch up your fuse box.
Oh yeah, I mean, long as the clothes hanging in front of them, we're done.
Get to,
What painted is that stuff they put up there? Had paint in it.
oh, they put paint in
The
it?
paint was in it, and that's
Oh,
all.
that's what I mean, it's paint.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
paint was in the boiling.
That's all we do, is mix the paint in,
Okay.
mix it up.
Glad I said I know
Everybody
you're.
spread the mud.
Well, something, it's small, it's lighter.
That's all.
Show you
Yeah, that's something. There's 50 in here, I think.
Who painted this, Steve?
Oh,
I figured maybe get Albie down here.
said he couldn't get out. He quit partying long enough.
Come here, this is bad.
Huh? Yeah, he can go out catch it up.
Hey, this is the whole upstairs is mine. Go on up.
Now listen, buddy.
You might have to share that, boy. Or you go right, get on there now. Wouldn't it?
Do what?
It's like that car, or you get around this post.
This is not bad.
I guess they just split it. Cut like a seam in it.
This is my bathroom. And this is my toy room.
This is your face.
Quit. And that's my toy room.
Well, you probably need it.
Go upstairs.
Last I told you about it.
Hi. Hi, good job, boy. Robert, you what? I figured it out. Michael had something down there.
Yeah, but I think they made it for underneath the countertop in the kitchen in the cabinet. I don't, do we have railing go down the right side?
No,
Hey.
no, it's not. It wouldn't have been
You're
right.
ruining them pants, get up. Go.
No, but I mean, it lights this whole bottom.
A lot of house.
You must go stop. Or that's a whole new way.
We don't have no door stops.
Huh?
Door stops.
Yeah, they probably didn't put any of that stuff in yet.
Get a cushion put on that and still make
Need
all
to
the
put
wall.
the carpet in
Yeah.
before you do the video.
You can buy it, you can put it on the end of Steve.
Yeah. Do what, Mom?
Said the carpet might stop it too.
No.
No, you put a stop on it.
Where else you put it back here against the,
Now you need to stop.
I thought you put a handle, put them right here on the thing.
I know.
Can you get it off?
Hello.
Hello. I see his face up there.
Yeah, I see it. Nothing really changed upstairs.
This is his bathroom.
I mean, it hasn't changed any, has it?
Yeah, they put the sink in and stuff. And they put the rolling in the closets. Oh, for the floor cover.
Everything I own, and it's only $9.99.
Once in a lifetime deal. Uncle.
There's a rug rat on the rug.
Hey, there's a cartoon named Rugrats.
I know.
Who named them put those pretty things on the chandelier? Huh?
I don't know, buddy.
This is a bunny show.
Your dad had a good point. After we get everything in the house, take this and walk through here and put every bit of it on film and put the tape in the fireproof thing. That way if something ever happened in the house, they can't, we can just say here, that's proof that you own
We
this
don't
stuff.
have everything in here.
I said after we get everything in here. Just make it tapeable all of it.
I don't know.
And then you could hear footprints.
I heard him from way up here.
Not footprints, you didn't. You might have heard footsteps, you didn't hear footprints.
You show that yet?
Yep.
You did? Come here. What place? I can't believe we're gonna be sleeping in a green place like this. Well, maybe I might write green tornado all over the walls. Oh, okay, maybe a little bit. Stick here. Maybe.
Take us for a tour.
For a tour. Okay, well, this is my room. Okay. I think you've already seen this, but this is my new bathroom. I don't know if they're done or yet, though. What a house, man. I hate this. My new toy room. Mom and Dad may see me thumping, but, well, it's my room. Well, look at this. Let's see what's down here, buddy. You may have seen all this, but it's my time to tour. Hey, how can you walk on steps without even looking where they are? I know where the end one is. It's the end one. No more steps. I memorized my way through the whole house. See, watch. Watch me get out of here and go right to your room. Now watch, Steve. I'm gonna close my eyes. And then.
Don't, Justin.
Mom and Dad's room. I'll get all messed up like Steve was laying the newspapers everywhere. Got the new window. You may see those two dogs fighting like the last time when Sebastian got his eye cut. I think. And you may also see it around. Hold your camera upside down in a minute. It's gonna be funny. Okay. Well, I mean, like this. And you may also even walk on the ceiling or on the wall. It's a funny place. The new pretty kitchen. I never knew what kind of camera they was going to get. It's pretty nice. Wasn't there when they picked it out? Or if they did pick it out, just see that stuff right there. New house. Can't believe how they got all those plans. Funny chandelier without anything. Turn it off again in a minute. Whenever you want to. Little thing right here. The rails. Turn it off now. Upside down. Our new living room. You can just see our new living room. Well, that's all for now. Okay? And remember, you may still tip it over. Get upside down or on the wall, but it'll be okay. Stop it like that. How about